Okay, welcome everybody. Today, our quiz being hosted by a very special person, none other than Chandan Sai, a KBC Hot Seat finalist. It's a pleasure to have him today. A very quiz enthusiast right from his childhood. He won a quiz in the sports quiz in Doordarshan, and after that, the journey from Doordarshan to KBC is a long and a very illustrious one. He's a winner of multiple quizzes, Tata Crucible, Brand Equity, Brand Quiz Bacha, and much, much more. So with a great pleasure and real fun quiz happening, let's welcome our quiz master today, Chandan Shai. Okay, Chandan, over to you.
Thanks for the encouraging words, Anurag. It's my pleasure. Okay, shall we move?
Yeah, so this is Chandan's accomplishments. Very few of them. Chandan, I couldn't put all of them, so yeah,
No problem.
I just tried. But yeah, your presence,
Whatever I could fetch.
Yeah, so your presence today, I think, will enthrall everybody. Okay, Chandan, all yours.
Okay, the rules for today's quiz: for chat questions, please send to everyone. Top three correct answers will fetch you 10 points. For the buzzer question, just raise your hand and wait. Answer only when you are asked to do so. Plus 20 for a correct one and minus 10 for the incorrect one. And last but not the least, the quiz master's decision is final and binding.
Yeah, so
Okay.
Pulkit, kindly make a note. Top three, 10 points. This is the changes we're doing today.
And who is keeping the scores?
Yeah,
I won't be able to do it.
No, Pulkit is doing. Don't worry.
Thanks, Pulkit. Thanks in advance.
Okay, so moving on.
Okay, a title to start with. Invented by a Russian monk exactly as an antiseptic 517 years ago. What are we talking about? I think we have already got a lot of answers.
Yeah, that's fine. So that's fine. Check. Yeah, that's fine. Pulkit will do that. So I'm getting too many people, so we'll just wait for half a second so that they also see this question. So perhaps, yeah. So moving on to the slide, and yeah, as you rightly said, Chandan, a lot of right questions, and this was the opener question, especially.
So hats off to Mukmeet ji for getting it right. The first, fastest finger first. Vodka is the correct answer.
So Mukmeet, Pulkit, and Prashant shares the honor. Great.
Okay.
Good going.
Great.
So good tippling opening, right? To keep spirited everybody, right, Chandan?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Current one, G square, K square, and Shah Rukh Khan. So how do you connect them? You are seeing every day in the TV. So what is the connect? Okay, we have got the correct answer.
That's fine. Actually, Chandan, just wait because we have three. So just wait for a few seconds before announcing, right? Okay. So we are getting Gauri Khan. We are getting K2 platform. Interesting answers, but the answer which we are looking for, Chandan, is, as you rightly said, Prashant gave as the first one, is Baiju.
Baiju is what we were looking for.
So yeah.
G square, K square. By the way, it is Ghar Ghar Ki Kahani.
Oh, great. That's great. Good one. I didn't know this. Somebody says K2 platform. I think Amreshwar was clean bowl today. So Amreshwar, get going. Yeah. So next question coming.
Okay. This is an interesting question. I'll read it out very slowly. This company's ovalized shape indicates global expansion, and the stylized H is a symbol of two people shaking hands. Identify the company whose logo is described above. I think already we have got a few answers.
Yeah. So let's keep it rolling. Let's see how many of them are giving. So yeah. So I think it is a full house. Everybody saying the same, Hyundai. So I think that H was a giveaway.
I think the correct pronunciation is Hyundai. Hyundai. Okay. Hyunday. It is Hyundai.
Okay, great. So we are doing good today. A lot of people score. So
yeah. And basically it is two people shaking hands. One is the company representative and the other is a satisfied customer. So that is
Right.
the story behind this logo.
Great. Good going, yeah, Chandan.
So a Bollywood question, which recent movie they starred together? So you have two ladies on your screen. So you have to identify, we are getting some answers.
Yeah. So
Let
yeah,
us
so
see.
let's see. Yeah, let's see. So, okay. So again, it's a full house. Everybody's saying Bala. Chandan, right? Is it Bala?
Yeah, it is definitely Bala.
Okay, great. So I think people are very
So,
good in.
Deepika Chikalia starred as mother of Yami Gautam in the movie.
Okay, great one. Okay, next one.
So this is current affairs. In pandemic times, what is meant by ENA? So this is a current affairs question. What is meant by ENA? Some interesting answers we are getting.
Yeah, Mukmeet says something. Pulkit says a very dangerous one.
Exchangeable Nuclear
Nucleus
Nurses
Antigen.
Association. Okay, interesting answers.
Interesting, yeah. Chandan, really great.
Yeah.
So that's
this is triggering a lot of creativity.
Yeah. So why don't you give a hint of the last one? What does last stand for?
Okay. So what is recommended in COVID times?
Yeah.
What to do frequently?
So somebody says alcohol content. So I think he's right as far as the last word is
very
concerned.
close.
So I think nobody getting it. Let's open it, Chandan.
Yeah. So I never thought this will go unanswered. It is extra neutral alcohol used in sanitizers.
Wow. Okay. Somebody says ethyl natural alcohol. Nobody gets it. Chandan, take the points. Great. Good one.
Okay, thanks. So now moving to an interesting question. Who is the author of A View of Japan Through Japanese Art? View of Japan Through Japanese Art.
Okay, interesting answers. Akio Morita Murara. So
good guess.
Seems to be going the wrong track. So, but yeah, as long as they're going, we don't mind.
Shall we give a hint?
I don't think we should, because this is a question which a business quizzer should know. Anyhow, so nobody coming up. So
I think somebody answered Deming was very close, but not exactly the correct answer.
Okay. So you might.
Okay, I'll give you a clue. Only two persons have studied the Japanese system very closely. One of them was American. Who is the second one? And he is supposed to have 200 Japanese paintings, a collection of 200 Japanese paintings.
Okay, so let's not tease them further. I don't think they are getting it. So let's give the answer, Chandan.
Yeah, the answer what I was looking for is great Peter Drucker.
Wow,
I'll just give you a brief about him. What he observed that most of the Japanese painters, they make drawings of animals and which has a lot of expression of joy without doubt and irony. So he studied Japanese art very closely, and Deming studied this whole Japanese system. So that was the clue. And he had 200 Japanese paintings with him.
Wow, so Chandan, a lot of Japanese connect with Peter Drucker, right? Okay, moving on to next one.
Okay, again a current affairs question. Identify him. He played cricket for Punjab. He is a singer. He played cricket in Australia also, and he will feature in movie 1983 as a bowler of 1983 World Cup winning team. Who are we talking about? Already we have few answers.
Yeah, so what does he become? What is he acting? He's acting Madan Lal, right?
He's acting as Madan Lal. And he was a right arm fast bowler when he played for Punjab.
Wow, so what a nice
selection. But some injury forced him to stop that carrier.
Okay. So by the way, a lot of people answering. So Harry Sandu
Yeah.
says top 3 as Saurabh, Shravan,
Yeah.
and Amreshwar. So Amreshwar opens up finally. Great. So
Okay. So
yeah.
okay.
Okay.
So he's also famous for that song of movie Bala, Na Goriye.
Okay, so you want to listen to that song? I can play for you. I'm
Okay,
your
that
DJ.
will be great.
I'm your DJ today. You want this song?
Okay, that will be great.
Okay. How about the participants? You want this song? Nobody interested, I think. So let's. Okay, Mukneet says yes. Play it. Yeah, let's play.
Okay.
Okay, so let's play something else. Okay.
That's great.
Let's play something else. Not this song, but let's play something else. Okay, so just identify this song. Here it goes. Okay. Okay, so we are getting a lot of answers. And,
I think somebody,
yeah.
one person has answered it correctly. I don't know who.
Yeah, that's fine. But do we allow multiple answers from the same person, Chandan?
I don't think so.
Okay, so then it doesn't go there. Okay, so let me see what are the different answers then. Everybody said on the flash, Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas, Chandan.
No, it's
and
not
then,
Pal Pal.
And then somebody said Phoolon Ka Taron Ka. How about that?
Yeah, that's the correct answer.
Okay, so I think Pulkit will sort it out. So whoever said first without a wrong answer initially gets points. Okay, so how about listening to the song? And if anybody wants to join singing the song, just raise your hand. I will unmute you. And Chandan, you would like to sing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
In chorus.
Okay, so I'll join you then. Okay, great. So no raising hands. Chandan has obliged to sing. So you heard it till here. I deliberately muted that.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है.
Great. So hope Chandan you liked it.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So I hope everybody liked the song. Kishore Kumar, the legendary singer. Okay. So yeah, please stop this chat of scoring and all that. Just enjoy the fun. Okay.
Some interesting questions coming up.
Yeah. So before that, a new series, Chandan, today. We would like to know more about you, and it just takes 2 minutes or maybe even less to tango, right? So I like to know, and most of our participants would like to know about you, Chandan. So I'm taking an opportunity to speak to you for 2 minutes. Hope you don't mind, and tell us more about yourself. So Chandan, basically, we all know you as a KBC finalist, but not many know what you do. So what do you do for a living?
Okay. Well, I'm working for NTPC. Right now, I'm additional general manager, and I am heading safety department in NTPC Khargone right now.
So where is Khargone? It's near to Indore?
It's 130 kilometers from Indore.
Right.
It's a town in Madhya Pradesh,
Okay.
a district, in fact.
And you mentioned that you grew up in Jalandhar and also, and
Yeah.
you did back from Delhi College.
Yes,
And-
in fact, let me share one thing that I started playing hockey first because in our school, Kendriya Vidyalaya Jalandhar, there used to be a lot of encouragement for hockey. And in fact, I was in the sub-junior team of our school also. And we represented in Nehru Hockey Tournament and we were the runners-up.
Oh, great. Good to know about this. Never knew. Great. And Chandan, tell us more about that day, that KBC final day. Can you tell us more about when you went on the hot seat? What were your feelings? How did you feel?
Yeah, in fact, this shoot was for 3 days. In fact, the first 2 days it was in succession, but the second day there was a central air-conditioned room failure, and then the next day was Amit Big B's birthday, so we had to wait for 3-4 days to
Which day
cool our
was it?
heels, and then
13th October,
Pardon?
right?
I think it was
11th October.
11th October 2012.
Oh, wow.
So
8 days.
we were
8 years.
supposed to shoot 3 episodes.
Mhm.
So the 2 episodes were shot on day 1 and day 2, but the third episode could not be shot on the second day. So
Okay.
we had to wait 6 of us for almost 3-4 days.
Wow. And how was the experience? Just tell us quickly in 20 seconds. How did you feel
That
meeting?
was quite an
How did you feel meeting?
quite
Big
an
B?
amazing experience
Mhm.
when the AC doesn't work. And this gentleman was really, I mean, hats off to him. He kept the audience enthralled. He was wearing a designer suit. He was sweating all over the place, but he was reciting all these poems of his father, the dialogues of his film. He was singing, but at no point he cribbed about the AC failure. A real
Wow. Yeah,
gentleman.
that's the dedication. So Chandan, whom did you phone a friend to? Basically,
I think
you had 3 of them, right?
Deepak, yeah,
Mhm.
3 of them. Prashant was there, Varki was there, and
So
Deepak.
Prashant and Varki, I believe, are your colleagues in NTPC, and Deepak is your old
Yes.
friend in Indian Oil, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And you told me that you invited them for this quiz also, so they are here, right? In this quiz
Yeah.
today. Okay, let's hear from Prashant. So I'll just like a phone a friend, I'll unmute Prashant, and Prashant, you can quickly tell how do you feel being a friend of Chandan. So looks like Prashant is out. Let me go to the other friend you said was Deepak, right?
Deepak.
So Deepak, how did you feel answering that question that day?
Very bad, yeah. I couldn't answer it correctly actually. Chandan was a bit nervous, so he didn't read the full question.
Oh, okay.
So I also got confused. In fact,
Okay.
when I received the call from Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, I was in lift of my office.
Oh, wow.
And I had to run to my chair to have the signal correct.
Great.
But I had a 1-minute talk which was edited actually while telecasting. It was edited. Chandan knows it. I had a
Okay.
1.5 minute talk with Amitabh Bachchan ji.
Great.
Thanks
So,
to Chandan.
yeah, of course. Chandan, I'm just regretting
Yeah.
why I was not your friend that time. Okay, Prashant is also there. Prashant, you want to quickly add something?
No, I've been telling that Chandan has been a wonderful friend of mine and a very good quizzer. And not only a good quizzer, a wonderful human being also. And whatever he does, he gives.
Great. Yeah. So I think he meant to say that you are a good human being and a good friend. So we all know, yeah, Chandan. So Chandan, great talking
Thanks
to
for
you.
the nice words.
Yeah, Chandan,
Thank you.
great talking to you. So what I'll do is let's move on to the buzzer round. Chandan, are you good to
Okay.
go?
Yes, good to go.
Okay. So this is the buzzer round, and the rules are, again, we are reading out. I'll read out the rules, Chandan, for you. So it's a buzzer round, same number of questions, 8 questions remaining, 20 plus 20 minus 10, nothing on chat. I'm not even looking at chat. If you're putting something on chat, you're just helping others. You have to just raise your hand, and whoever raises first, I will unmute that person. Okay, so as a test, may I request Amreshwar, Deepak, and Madhur to just press your buzzers, raise your hands. Wonderful. So Pankaj also did it. So Pankaj, you also did. I could see you. And you know what? Madhur was the fastest. So Madhur, you have a good chance. So now I'll request you all to please lower your hands because it will be a bit difficult for me to do it. Pankaj, can you lower your hand? Okay. Okay, starting. First question coming, Chandan. First question coming. Everybody on your hands, on your buzzer. That is raising your hand. Now, here it comes. So
Okay, gentlemen, you have to connect. The 4 items have been shown. And if you want, I can give a clue about the type of mobile which is there on the left-hand side. Rest, all the items you know.
And surprisingly, nobody is
going for it.
Yeah, so you need to give some hints, I think.
Shall we give a hint?
No, hang on. So Madhur raises his hand, and
okay.
We'll wait for
so few more. Hints.
We'll wait for a few more, but yeah, you can give some hints, yeah, because we need 3 hands. So you can give some hints.
The left side mobile model is a Samsung flip phone SCH U320.
Yeah, that's it. So let's I think that's not a hint which will help others, but what I'll do, I'll unmute Madhur. Let's hear from him, and then we can give hints later. Madhur, over to you.
Yeah, so I think this is the brand endorsement connect with the Coca-Cola and Samsung and McDonald's.
Minus 10 to Madhur. I'm muting you again. You can lower your hand. And I see Shubhra Agarwal. Shubhra Agarwal raising her hand. I'll just unmute Shubhra and let's see what she says. Okay, Shubhra, all yours.
Yeah, I think these are the various indices for the purchasing power.
Okay, Shubhra, you also get minus 10. So just lower your hand.
A lot of minuses.
And I also, in fact, said this in the dry run indices. Okay, just lower your hand. And I think you should give some hint, Chandan. First question doesn't go answered is not a good sign. Just give some hint, Chandan. Okay, Chandan, I'll unmute you. Yeah, Chandan, go ahead.
Okay, the overall connect is a personality who shifted from this Samsung flip phone SCH U320 to iPhone 11. That is the only clue I can give.
Okay, lots of hands going. So we'll go to Narayan Gautam. Narayan Gautam raises first. Narayan.
Okay.
You
welcome,
are on.
Narayan.
Narayan,
welcome,
NK. So Narayan, go ahead. So I think he's not muted. You have to just choose unmute at your button, and I can't wait long.
Yeah. It's Amir Khan.
Amir Khan. Okay, minus 10. A lot of people taking minus 10. Pulkit, you're getting. Okay, so next is Pulkit, in fact. Next is Pulkit in line. So I'm unmuting Pulkit. Pulkit, go ahead.
Let's hear Pulkit.
Yeah, it's Warren Buffett.
Wow, good answer. Warren Buffett.
That's a great answer. So the story is that he was persuaded by Tim Cook number of times. So eventually he shifted from this $29 Samsung flip phone to iPhone 11.
Okay, great. So you can unmute yourself, Chandan. I'm actually muted.
Okay. So he's very fond of Coca-Cola and this burger. And he says that he eats like a 6-year-old.
Yeah.
And still he's going strong.
Okay, final 30 minutes. Final 10 minutes. So let's go quickly. Next question, connect.
Okay, this is you have to connect these 2 photographs.
Okay, so
I've already given a clue.
Yeah, so don't give any clues. Saurabh on a flash, Amreshwar and Deepak, and just stop raising your hands now. Time over. Don't raise your hands now, please. Okay, Saurabh, I'm unmuting you.
Yeah, it's Balbir Singh Senior on the left. And he was the, on the right is probably Ajit Singh, who was the captain of the side for 1975 World Cup.
Saurabh, we are looking for a connect.
Yeah, so the only the coach and the captain which won us the only World Cup.
Okay, granted.
Let's give it to him. Let's give it to him. Great question.
Yeah,
Great answer.
Yeah, great answer. Great
I'll
answer.
request everybody to lower their hands now. If you can lower your hands, you'll make my life easy. Otherwise, I have to do it.
Anurag, I would like to add a bit of trivia here.
No, please.
Pal Singh,
We'll take it later.
He was the captain of the 1975 World Cup hockey winning team, and his wife, Kiran Ajit Pal Singh, who was a basketball teacher in our school. So she was the games teacher and a very hit teacher amongst all the students.
Great.
And she was 5 feet 10 inches tall.
Okay,
and
Chandan.
she was a real.
Yeah, Chandan, just I'll cut you short. We are just running out of time. So we'll
we'll
can
go
hear this
fast
later.
now.
Yeah. Okay. Business Connect, quickly.
Okay, we are looking for a business connect for these buildings.
And
what is a business connect?
Okay, so in a flash, we have one hand. So let's give some hints. It's a brand, basically.
Basically, it's overall is a brand.
Yeah.
What we are looking for.
And I have only one hand, so I'll go to Saurabh. Saurabh, you are unmuted. Speak out.
It's the Taj Hotels.
Okay, Saurabh, minus 10 to you. Minus 10 to you.
Minus 10.
I'm moving on to Narayan Gautam. Narayan, quickly unmute yourself.
Yeah,
is it something to do with India tourism?
Okay, minus 10 to you. Prashant is the next one in line. Prashant, just unmute and speak. So Prashant has some problem.
Yeah, Prashant.
Yeah, he's there. Prashant, go ahead.
Titan brand? Titan?
Yeah,
Perfect,
exactly. That is
Titan.
what we were looking for.
Konar
Titan
Taj.
Heritage Collection.
Yeah, so let's move ahead. Yeah, quickly, good one. Okay, so you have not raised, lower your hands and you will be disqualified next time.
Okay. Next question.
Okay,
Identify this personality.
Okay, Deepak on a flash. Let's go to him directly. Deepak, unmuted you.
Yeah, it is A.K. Angal.
Wow, what a bravo. What a great answer.
Hats off to you, sir.
And this is what?
Indeed, Avtar Kishan Hangal. By the way, he was a freedom fighter from 1929 to 47. That is additional trivia. Taylor, yeah, exactly.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what I'll request, the moment you give an answer, please unmute and lower your hands. Okay, otherwise my life becomes very difficult. I'm running the multiple things I'm doing, Chandan, courtesy you, because I'm running the PPT also for you today. So that's why I'm having.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Connect.
Okay, this is one of my favorite questions. What is the overall connect? Overall connect is a personality. That much hint I can give you. Swisscom, Mont Blanc, Barack Obama, and this gentleman, I've forgotten his name.
Okay, so Deepak in a flash. Deepak in a flash have raised his hand again. I hope it is not.
Okay, Deepak ji.
I'm just unmuting him, but I hope it's not for the last question. He didn't lower his hand, but let's hear from him. Yeah, Deepak.
Okay, my guess would be Mahatma Gandhi.
Wow, brilliant.
Hats off to you, sir. Brilliant answer.
Thank you, sir.
Deepak is on a roll. So Deepak, just lower your hand. Go ahead.
I would just like to add one trivia here. Actually, Swiss.com, basically they said that to spread the good was never so easy, particularly with this gentleman.
Mm-hmm. Wow, great. Moving on to the.
It is written in German.
Okay, moving on to the next question. So this is the one which we are waiting for, Chandan, all time.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
And Chandan, just control yourself as well. Okay.
Okay.
जिस राह पे है घर तेरा अक्सर वहां से हाँ मैं हूँ गुजरा शायद यही दिल मेरा हाँ तू मुझको मिल जाए क्या पता क्या है ये सिलसिला जानू ना मैं जानू ना ओ दिल संभल जा जरा फिर मोहब्बत करने चला है तू
Chandan, you are okay?
Okay.
So you are okay.
So
You're
can
good
we
to-
ask the question now?
Yeah, but are you in the position to ask?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay, great. Okay.
Okay. Who made his debut with this song?
Okay.
Debut in Bollywood.
In a flash, we have two hands.
Okay, let's hear from
yeah,
them.
so stop. Everybody stop raising hands now. Multiple people raising their hands. And the first one I see is Shravan. Shravan, over to you.
I'm guessing Jacqueline Fernandez.
No,
Okay,
sir. Minus
okay.
10.
Minus 10, lot of minus 10 today. Next in line is our friend who is scoring as well, Pulkit. Go ahead, Pulkit.
Yes, Pulkit.
Is it Arijit Singh?
Wow,
Yes,
what
sir.
answer?
You are right. Absolutely right. Actually, this song was sung by 3 people. But what we asked was who made his debut.
Yeah, so other two are Saif Bhatt and Mohammad Irfan, right? And,
Yes.
And incidentally, all three were given equal opportunity and Arijit Singh made the most of it. Great, great question and hope everybody liked it. So this was the parental guidance question, Chandan, which I included, and you were very apprehensive. I don't know why. Okay, okay. So we are moving to the last leg of the quiz. Final 2 questions coming.
So the question is, Timeless Steel is an anthological biography about Indian cricketer X published by Y. Now you will wonder what is anthological. Anthological is a set of stories. So it is a 22 set of stories about this Indian cricketer published by Y. So you have to identify X and Y.
Great. So Chandan, we already have 3 hands, and I think let's stop now. So 3 hands are good enough, I think. And again, a good scorer first. Okay, Pulkit, over to you.
It is about Rahul Dravid and by ESPN.
Okay, so
you're
partially right. So you're partially right. We won't deduct marks, but we won't give you at this stage. Let's say from the next one in line is Amreshwar. Amreshwar, let's say from you.
Yeah, it is Rahul Dravid, ESPN, and Walt Disney Company.
Wow.
Yes,
So Walt Disney
that is
was the
what
most
we were
winning.
looking for.
So Pulkit, we won't give you a negative, but the points goes to Amreshwar. Amreshwar, great going. Good one.
Good one, Amreshwar.
So this is
Thank you, sir.
yeah. Just lower your hands, everybody, please. Okay. Okay. So the final one coming up. Final one coming for this quiz today. Hope everybody is liking it. Bollywood one.
So this gentleman X made his debut with the Hindi film Hindustan Ki Kasam. When X endorsed Y, it was the first instance of a villain endorsing a product. Identify X and Y.
Great. So in a real flash, we have 2 of them. But guess what? It is not Deepak. This time it is Pankaj. So Pankaj, over to you. Pankaj, go ahead. Pankaj, you need to unmute.
Yeah. I'm guessing Amjad Khan and biscuits, glucose biscuits.
Which glucose?
Okay, we'll give it to you.
Britannia.
Okay, great.
Okay, given to you.
Good one. So this was.
So it is,
yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Amjad Khan and Britannia Glucose D.
Yeah, can you just lower your hands, everybody? So this was the great quiz today, Chandan. So this is, thanks everybody for this. So what I'll do, I'll just